What's up, everyone? Right here, what I have is the WOWStick, and this was sent to me by Gearbest, and this is a electronic screwdriver, and this is what it looks like. So it comes in the box, and then as you can see, it comes in a nice little case. This case is magnetic, so it's kind of a cool case to have for this screwdriver. And I've been using this for a little bit now, and I really like it. And it's a good precision tool. It's electric, so it has a little motor in it. You can hear it. Has a LED light that engages whenever you hit the motor. But what I really like about it is when the motor is not engaged, you could just use it as just a regular screwdriver, so it locks it into place. So this is all locked in place, and then once it's engaged, it's unlocks, and then it will either tighten or loosen. It isn't that powerful, but it's powerful enough to, once you like loosen an object, then you could just hit the reverse button and it'll take out the screw. So I found that this is the motor part, using the motor is mostly helpful when you're doing like 10 to 20 different screws. And so if I was doing one or two screws, I'd probably just use, I just use the screwdriver part. Another cool feature about the WOWStick is the amount of bits that this thing comes with. And I mean, it has different types of flatheads, Phillips, some security bits, stars, Allen wrenches. So it comes with a lot of good precision tools. And I'm going to go ahead and do a couple examples on how it works. Alright, so what I have here is a case that I 3D printed, just your generic Arduino case. And I have the Arduino, I think it's the 101, and this what's different about this is it has an Intel chip and it has a built-in IMU and all that kind of stuff. I haven't really seen these around. I don't think they were all that great, but yeah, but I have one. So anyways, what I'm going to do is going to go ahead and put in these tiny screws right here. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put the screw into this hole. And we could do that by, so you can see that it's not very powerful, but it got me to get in there and start it, and now it's in. And let's go ahead and go right here. Alright. But I could use it as a regular screwdriver to just get the last two turns in. And now this thing's in tight. And now an example on loosening it. What's nice about loosening it is I only have to do like one or two turns, and then I can hit the button and it's loosened where I can get it out. So here we have the screws for the frame on this 450, and it's not going to be strong enough to pull the screw out by the motor. So, but we can, again, just loosen it a little bit and then hit the button. And it's going to take out that longer screw, which would be nice. So we have that screw out, and then I can take out another one. And it's kind of better if you're got a lot of screws you're messing with. I think it works better that way. Works better for little smaller objects too. It seems like reverse has a little bit more power than actual forward. And so far, the amount of times that I've used this, it hasn't burned up on me, so that's a good thing. Alright, so this is the WOWStick, and we're going to go ahead and close this video. I really do like this screwdriver. I like it because you could use it as a regular screwdriver, and if you have longer screws, then you can engage the motors for either tightening or loosening. It's magnetic tip, has a little LED light, although I feel like the LED light's not strong enough to really help you. It takes two AAAs, and they're right here on top. So it takes two AAA batteries, and I have quite a bit of time on it, and I do use the motors a lot, and it hasn't burned up, so that's always a good sign. And I do wish that it had more power, but I also understand how small this is. You probably can't get that much power out of it, so I understand in that aspect. But it does help you out if you got a lot of screws. Like I said, I only use it, I'll use the screwdriver portion for anything, but the motors, I only engage the motors for if I'm doing like 10 or 20 screws, because I get lazy and it helps me out. So all in all, I do recommend this product if you are in the market for a precision tool. And it does come with a whole bunch of different tools, or heads, or bits, you could say. So it does come up with a bunch of different bits, and it comes with like the Allen wrenches, the security bits, and all that kind of stuff. So I mean, it's a good precision tool kit. And I'll leave a link down below if you guys are interested. And I think that concludes this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And as always, thank you guys for your support, and thank you for watching.